Hi, I'm Madeline, and this is Cole Hall, where all of the freshman women will live. It's close to everything like the CAF, the library, and even the soccer field and college fields down the street. It's one of the nicest dorms on campus, and there's a lot of amazing RAs willing to help you and give out activities to do every so often. This is the Cole room, where you get to share with one of your roommates and one bathroom. You get to bunk the bed so you can have more space for fun things like putting a hammock underneath your bed. Some of my favorite things here in Cole are how much storage we get to have, like this cool vanity, and even you get your own closets. This is the laundry room here in Cole, but all residents have their own laundry room. There's also a lot of places to do your work and a shared kitchen that you can use anytime.
Here we are in Wallingford Hall. This is where all you freshman men are going to be living for your first year here at Southwestern College. It's awesome because it's right in the middle of campus, so you'll be close to pretty much everything, especially the cafeteria. In Wallingford, you'll be living here with a roommate and 2 suite mates, so it's really nice because we don't have community bathrooms. You'll just share it with 3 other people. We have a really nice living space, and you can even loft your bed if you want to make bunk beds and make more room for yourself.